word are justice and truth. The word is justice and truth. Praise all stand for the Holy Gospel. But if you do not forgive others, neither will your Father forgive your transgression. Gagasilan ang mga pagano yung bumuhan, manano na nera.
Reason ka kaya? Ooh. Wala. Mas-chat tayo. Woo! Ay, nako. Today, wow, I just did something new today. Namas lang naman, but na nakakawala ng pagod. I asked one up there, tapos tinanong ko kung anong oras sila ng Zumba or may free ba sila, and she said na wala. So, at least I can do exercise. Tingnan natin tomorrow. Sabi niya, every Monday to Friday. Tapos, magsisimula ng 5:30 hanggang 6:30, like 1 hour. Tapos, every Sundays and Saturdays naman sa may prayer call. So, at least 6 a.m. So, I can at least go there. Going home. The reason na gusto kong palaging pumupunta dito is because of the ambience. Tapos, you know, nasi-feel mo yung fresh air, right? Tapos, recreational area siya. If you want to like jog, do cycling, tapos, kanina nga, Zumba. So, yeah, I think this will be my new spot para spend ng time for myself. Like, hindi na lang usually sa boarding house or sa school. So, at least, magbibigay ako ng oras para sa sarili ko. Talaga naman, no? So, and good thing na malapit siya. Malapit lang to sa boarding house. The only thing is paulan na. See, again. You know, yung iba dito, couple. Couple. Wow, good. And yes, I really love this place. Yun nga lang, I know for sure, hindi dapat ako magtagal dito because pag malapit ng 7, as in, although may mga lights naman, pero madilim. One thing na na-realize ko about myself is I, always enjoy myself being alone. Sometimes, nagiging natural talaga ako kapag alone lang ako. Because when I'm with somebody else, sometimes, I have to be careful with what I'm saying, with what my actions are. From here, walking tayo hanggang doon. It's kind of like hybrid. So today, tapos na naman yung Zumba and it was so fun talaga. And though hindi talaga ako marunong sumayaw, not so good, really. So at least I did it, right? So, ito, pinagpawisan and I did like 3 rounds. So, okay. I need to go on that. Right. Ate gulaman. Ka ng 20. Ay, sorry. Wala kita hiniig-vlog eh. Ubus na. Ito ko man tumatay. Nabusog na ako. Di na ako makaka-bangus.